I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, so I had my undergraduation from IT Engineering College in mechanical branch in the year 2020, in the year 2014, and recently I had my post graduation from JNTU Kakinada. So it was from the branch CAD-CAM. So prior to joining to the 10x Academy, so for a brief time I was in aquaculture field. So initially I was skeptical about moving to this IT field. So after losing my PhD offer, so I thought that it was the right time to move to the IT sector. Yeah. So 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 before that I was kind of lost to move into which kind of field. Yeah. So right after losing that PhD offer, so I made my final decision. uh, I came to know this from a friend of mine. So after consulting, means after talking to him over the call, so after clearing all the doubts regarding to this particular institute and also the syllabus, so finally, so and only after uh, coming coming for the 2 days bootcamp, so I made my final decision. So I came to know through my friend. So the thing is, those 1:1 sessions really helped me to gauge my confidence level and also my technical skills. I think it will be Instaclone. Yeah, the reason for that is, so it was my first time integrating all the technologies that I've learned for the past 6 months into a single project. So that was the main. So that was the project I enjoyed a lot. What the thing I like the most is dividing the whole syllabus into particular modules and only being able to move to the next module only after passing that particular module. So that thing really helped me to stay on the edge for this past 6 months. I would really like to thank all the 10x team for all the efforts they put into this particular bootcamp, and yeah, so I'm really grateful for having joined in this particular bootcamp.